Hello, welcome to Mrs. King's Makerspace. Normally, you would find me at school in the library checking out books to you. But since we can't do that right now, I am going to come on here and we're going to do some crafting together. So at school, as many of you know, we do a lot of other things besides just checking out books. We have a makerspace, and in the makerspace we do all sorts of things. We do Lego creations, we do 3D pens, we do sewing, we've made quilts, and we do paper crafts. So what I'm going to do on my YouTube channel is come on here and just show you a few things that you can do at home with things that hopefully you have just laying around the house. So today I want to show you how we're going to make a heart garland. Now, some of you may have noticed that a lot of people are putting hearts in their windows, and that's just a symbol of showing everyone that despite the fact that we have to be at home, we still are showing our love to others by putting hearts in our windows. So I am going to dedicate this segment to putting hearts in our windows, and we're going to do that by making a heart garland. So the things you need for your heart garland are going to be some string or ribbon or whatever you have laying around that would work to hang your hearts on. You're going to need cardstock paper. It can be solid paper, it can be print, something with print on it. It's just totally up to you. You can use construction paper, whatever you have at home that's easy to grab. You will need a pencil and some scissors, and you will also need a hole punch. Now this punch that I have creates pretty small holes, and it actually just happens to be a little tiny heart. So that's kind of fun to use to punch the holes with. So the other thing that you will need is some cardstock paper to make your template. So I just went onto the internet and I chose a heart shape and use that as my template to trace onto my piece of cardstock. And then I cut that out, and that is my template. So guys, even if you don't have the ability to go on and get something off the internet, you can draw a heart. I know you can. So draw a heart on some template paper, some heavier cardstock paper, and cut that out. So you're going to take your template and your cardstock paper, whatever you have, and you will want to, with the pencil, trace around the heart, and then use your scissor to cut the hearts out, okay? And then you will end up with a pile of hearts, just like I have here. You're going to take the hole punch, and in each top corner of the heart, you are going to punch a hole. I hope you can see that. There's a hole here and a hole here, and now we're ready to string it on to our string. So you are going to feed it through one side. Actually, I'm going to feed it through on the back side of the heart, and then I'm going to go through to the front, and I'm going to feed it through to the back. And I will just keep doing that until my string is all filled up. Ta-da! I finished my heart garland. I ended up putting 12 hearts on my string. You can do more or less, totally up to you. I think it's adorable. I love it. And I hope you're able to make one at home. So if you're really fancy and you wanted to sew it on a sewing machine, you could actually do that too. A sewing machine will sew through the paper just like butter. Be sure and check back on this channel, as I will be posting more crafts that we can do together.